Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back again to my channel. This is Adadiche Blog TV. You are welcome once again. I still remember your sister, your auntie, your friend, your mother, everything, anything they call me, I'll answer you. So, my beautiful people, today I'm going to bring another latest news that happened yesterday again. Oh, they said yesterday in this video, you can see this our brother, this our actor, our Nigerian Nollywood actor, Charles Okocha. And I know I like this guy die because he get the kind of one video where he just do one certain time. That video in them dear boy, my brother in the Bodo. If I not they tell that video play because one of my brother is his name is J Boy. So the video they sweet me. The boy try sha. All of them they try. Thank God. You can see in this video that is the message. That is the message I saw in social media trading, and the video I'm going to show you a video that trading in social media going viral right now because this our brother here, there is something happened yesterday that he saw his daughter in front of a man's car and he was like mad on it. Why his daughter? So this video has been going round, you are going round. I come across it this morning. I say make I bring am for the month too. My brother, how I know they finish for this social media, I know they finish for this actors and actresses in Nollywood. I don't know what thing can they happen. Oh. So person see picking for person car. I don't know how it can become problem. Though I don't know whether they get problem sharp before I no go fit talk. I say make I bring am on and follow this if you write. If you read what they wrote here, you understand what I'm talking about. But I'm going to show you the video, make you follow me, watch. May drop your comment in comment section what you see about this, whether it is right for what he did. Is he right or is not right? For you see his daughter in front of a man's car and drag her out and start beating the man, start destroying the car. In this video, there is an interview I saw again that he said he did not damage. He said this video has been going viral. I said I did not damage my friend's car for being with my daughter. Said Charles Okocha. So he's denying it, all right? So right now, but I'm going to show you the video where he was destroying the car because of he saw his daughter in front of her friend's car. Okay, so you guys have to keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you watch to this extent, don't forget we are here for real, not for story. I'm here to give you the latest and old news and everything about Adadiche Blog TV. So I hope that you are going to like me, like what I'm giving to you also. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. So the video is going to come out for you to see. You know this our brother now. So if you read what is here in Punch, however, in a chat with the Punch, the actor clear the air stating that the video that people are seeing in social media is not true. It's not him that did it. I don't know who do that. So when I go watch the video very well, make on see on our eyes whether the video is clear or not, whether na him do or be no be do am, whether wetin they claim say no be do or whether na true or be na lie. So when I go see drop on a comment in comment section, say whether person see his or her daughter in man's car, is it a crime or not a crime? So me too, I even wonder, no, say this abroad don't get picky way grow. So keep watching, see the video right away. My people, and I don't watch the video now, so make on a drop on a comment in comment section what on observe in this video, if na him or not be him, because in this chat he had with Punch newspaper, he was denying that it's not him that scattered the whiskey of that motor. In this place, let me just read out a little what he answered the public. He said, the popular Nigeria actor Charles Okocha has denied claiming that he damaged his friend's sports utility vehicle after he spotted his daughter sitting at the front seat of cruising with him in the car. In a viral video with a caption, Omo wahala don happen for Nikki yesterday. Charles Okocha go see him speaking for inside one big boy car. The rest is history. The actor is seen is a feat of range dragging a young girl out of the severe and roughly escorting her into his car. Shortly after the young lady whom speculated was his daughter got settled in the actor's car, Okocha was seen with wedding a spade which he used to hit the windscreen of his friend's car several times, hence damaging it. Even since the video surfaced online, it has sparked mixed reaction, from why some believe the video splitted it from a movie or a comedy shoot. Some other believe that it happened in reality. However, in a chat with the Punch, the actor cleared the air, stating that the video splints is from a movie rule, from a yet not to be released movie. Okay, movie. In a telephone chat, Okocha said, you should know me by now that I will never do things like that. I will want people to zoom it in the video. Look at the face of the lady and compare it with my daughter. That is not my daughter. What people saw is a screen from a movie I am featured in, but it is not yet released. I will have addressed this issue since, but I am currently filming in the East and I am very busy at this moment. And I don't hear them. Before, you know, this social media say I like them, they make me they happy sometimes. If you see something, people go just carry a news, bam, bam, bam. You go they waka like Sarah through something they talk. In this video, they don't see the actor have clarified that this is a movie shoot. It's not real. My dear, thank you for watching. I bet more I share the video. I love you all. Bye.